Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in PancakeSwap with Gemini. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in PancakeSwap using Gemini, you'll first need to ensure you have a Gemini account. If you don't have one, visit the Gemini website and sign up. Once registered, complete the identity verification process. After your account is set up, deposit funds into your Gemini account. You can deposit either fiat currency or cryptocurrency. Once your funds are available in Gemini, select the cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Popular options often include Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, navigate to the market section of Gemini. Search for the crypto asset you want to use for your investment. Execute the trade to buy the cryptocurrency. Now, you will need to withdraw the purchased cryptocurrency to your wallet. If you don't have a crypto wallet yet, set one up that supports PancakeSwap. Create a wallet on Binance Smart Chain, like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Make sure to properly configure your wallet for the Binance Smart Chain. Once your wallet is ready, copy your wallet address. Return to your Gemini account and initiate a withdrawal. Paste your wallet address and select the amount you wish to transfer. Confirm the withdrawal and wait for the transaction to complete. Now that you have your funds in your wallet, go to PancakeSwap. Visit the PancakeSwap website using a compatible browser. Connect your wallet by clicking on the Connect button. Select your wallet type from the available options. Allow PancakeSwap to access your wallet. Now, navigate to the exchange section of PancakeSwap. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to swap or trade. Enter the amount you want to invest and choose the token you want to receive. Review the transaction details carefully before proceeding. When ready, click on the Swap button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.